tornado? Holy crap!
Not sure.
Well, that must just be the edge of the storm, leading the edge of the storm. That's what that is.
Look at the sky, it's green.
So that's in Kansas too. Oh yeah, look at that.
Yeah, I see.
I'm not sure well you guys can see it on the GoPro, but I'm gonna get over there to the end of the parking lot so you can see what I'm talking about.
That looks insane.
That's Kansas over there. So man, it's blowing like crazy out there. Look how that looks. It's like dust coming up.
The sky is green, guys. I don't know if you're gonna be able to tell, but it's green.
Yeah, it's crazy looking. It's funny, I was watching another storm chaser, an actual professional storm chaser, and he actually came up to Walmart. He was actually behind Walmart filming, and we actually got that storm too on camera. He was out here like 7 o'clock, and we went out around 9 o'clock. And the sky was just crazy looking color. What's weird is because we're just a few miles away. I'm not sure exactly how far, but from the mountain time zone. So it's central time zone here, but it's mountain out west, and we're just on the cusp of that area where it's still light out west. Because you're like Central Time Zone in Kentucky or Missouri or something like that, well, it's 9 o'clock, it's dark outside, I can't see the sun anymore. But here, the elevation, 2500, and time zone just right over there, at 9 o'clock, it's still light outside. And it's this eerie kind of a sunset. I've never seen anything like that. Of course, maybe I have just not paid attention, but it's really pretty. It's eerie and pretty too. And it's flat out here as well. That low cloud over there is what I'd be worried about, tornado.
It looks very low. Lower than what it should be. So much thunder and lightning.
Yep. That's why it's not hailing. Oh, another thing I was gonna say, and maybe I'm going crazy, but the sound of thunder on the plains sounds different than it did back in Ozarks. Here it's more like a high-pitched kind of rumbling sound, and back there in like Missouri, it's a deeper kind of a sound. And maybe I'm just hearing things, but to me it sounds different.
Well, I don't hear the difference.
I do, absolutely do. Well, who knows, maybe I'm hearing shit.
If you guys want to investigate further about that, then be our guest.
Yeah. See, look at that. See, look at that edge of that cloud there, how it's got a lot of turbulence in it.